Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to Photoshop someone's picture into another picture. That is why I have opened a photo of a guy and open another photo of a beach. What I will do, I will take this guy's photo into the beach photo so that it will look like the guy is standing on a beautiful beach. So let's begin. First of all, we need to select this guy. In my previous video I showed you how to select someone or how to select any object in Photoshop. In this video I will select this guy using pen tool. From keyboard I will press the P button and pen tool is selected. Now I will make a clipping path to make a good selection around this guy. This is pretty easy. I already showed how to use the pen tool to select something very precisely. I am doing it very fast, not focusing precisely, because selection is totally different way, different technique. If we put good effort, we will be better day by day. This is not a overnight technique. I am already almost done. A little bit of selection is remained. Almost done. And see, there is a point I stayed with, and there is a point I already reached at. Now this point and the old point should be connected. And this is done. If we zoom out the photo, we see the whole image is selected. Now if we right click and make the selection is done. From the layer palette, click on the add mask. Once the mask is added, you see the background is disappeared. Now I simply can drag this guy's photo to this document. I'm selecting the move tool and drag this guy's photo into the another document which I already have opened, and just simply put it in. The guy is placed. Now we can position this guy's photo where it is fit best, or where you want to see him. I'm putting this guy's photo over here. I think this is good. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.